Hello friends, welcome to yet another video. In this video, we're going to talk about Elementor website builder plugin. And this is the first time I'm going to use Elementor. I have used WP Bakery repeatedly, and I've always been a hardcore WP Bakery user. And people who don't know about WP Bakery and Elementor, both of these are website builders where you can drag and drop and create beautiful looking pages. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and start with the process. So first step, I require to go to add plugins and I'll search for Elementor here, and here we get. So Elementor website builder, this is what we have to install. Then we have got other plugins as well. Elementor header footer builder, essential add-on for Elementor. So these are some add-ons which can help me easily, modify things and get more add-ons as well. So let's first start with the basic template which is there. So now here it tells me to go with a setup, create my account, or I just want to skip this for now. Hello theme, yes, we want to start with a hello theme. So hello theme is a default Elementor theme which is there, and which will go well with the Elementor components which are there. If we don't do that, that is also fine. You can avoid doing that as well, but I would highly recommend, if your website is completely on Elementor, you should go ahead with a hello theme which is there. Now let's get the site name. Site name is this, so we'll just click on next. Set up the logo is already added, so I don't have to do anything. Edit blank canvas with Elementor editor, browse through 100 plus templates and import your own. So basically this gives you an easy option. Let me select this, and let's see where it redirects us to. And here it goes with the templates, and here there are various templates which are there. Now the pro versions, I think, will have to purchase those templates, and you can just click filter out here. You can look at the new templates, the popular templates, the trending templates. So basically you can select any of the templates that you want. So here you will get various. On the left hand side, we can see there are various categories of these templates which are available. For example, business and services, health and wellness, and so on and so forth. So basically you can select whatever applies to your website. Okay, for now I'll stick to the blog ones only, and let me see which ones are there. The adventures, okay, and then okay, or let's stick to the business ones. So we'll just go with one of the free ones. Now most of the business ones are pro. I can't see any of the free templates except for the blank ones and local service wireframe which is there. Okay, so let's select the blank one. Okay, and see how easy or difficult is it to play around with a blank Elementor template which is there. So now okay, I'll just click. There's a notification. Here is the logo and the navigation. The website is looking a little bit awkward because our website previously the theme was generate press, and now if you just do a hard refresh, we have switched to hello Elementor hello theme which is there, and that's why it's looking a little bit awkward which is there. So first of all, what I would require to do is make sure the home page looks a little bit neater. And what I'll do is I'll just click on the global settings here. Okay, and I will click on settings here at the bottom. I'm just exploring, as I mentioned, this is my first video. In fact, the following videos I'll make sure that you will get a detailed outlook of how all these things can be edited and played around with. Okay, so okay, so I'll just click on global here, and it says upgrade now. Okay, and let me just click on this icon. So there are two icons here. One is this is the breadcrumb icon, and this is the 9 icon which is there. Okay, so if I click on this, I'll be able to see all the page settings. Okay, so for example, if I want to create an inner section in the page, I want to give a heading, all these elements can be used for the page. If I'm looking for the global ones, I'll have to click here, and here I'll get the site setting, theme builder, user preferences, and all those options which are there. So here I'll select site settings, and here there are all the options such as typography, buttons. You can change the color of the buttons, or you can also change the typography. Now here we can see that there is header footer is also there, and then there is site identity. So I think the logo size will be able to reduce the logo size from the site identity, and maybe we can choose this image from here, and we can maybe crop it or something. So let me just click on edit image, and here we will scale the image to maybe 200 by 200, or even smaller, 120 by 120. So this looks good to me, and we will just click on scale, and I think we are done with this, and we'll just save this. Okay, so now it's 120 by 120. I'll just add into the media here. Okay, okay, site fab icon can be same, and let me just update this here. Suggested image dimension is 350 by 100 pixel. Or let's do one thing, we can just remove the image for now, and we'll just add the this thing. So header, I've clicked on header section. Site logo I can uncheck, or instead of site logo I'll just change this to title. Instead of site logo, we'll just change it to title here. Tagline, we want it to be there. Maybe we can change the colors to match the colors of the logo. So colors we can change to the text color needs to be changed. Okay, okay, nothing here about the typography. Okay, menu, this is the default color. Maybe we can change it to blue. Let's see. Yeah, the menu is changing, the color of the menu is changing, and you can update this, we can update this. Okay, so this is as far as the setting is concerned of the header and all. Now we can just go back here, and we can close this window, and we can click here to have our page builder sections here. So next what I can do is we can have a heading of the page. So we can drag and drop the heading here. The title is already there, but you can hide the title. So here there's a hide title option which is there, and I recommend you can rename the page to whatever you want to do, maybe WordPress landing page. Okay, or maybe only WordPress, so that your URLs are neat, because later on changing the URL is a challenge in Elementor. Okay, we have got our custom heading. We can name it as about us, and here we can add a section. Again, we can divide the section into two parts. The first part, we can have a YouTube video embedded. Okay, I'll just pick any of the video, you just click on the video, you just put the URL video here and you're sorted. We have a default one, so we don't have to worry about that right now. Here I would want to add bullet points, so there's an option of very good options of bullet. So this is the best part about Elementor is things are very conveniently you can get stuff from this left side and bar. So you just look at list, you get list icons, and it's really good. Okay, if I just click on it, I can edit the icon. I can click on icon library. I can select any of the icons that I want. Okay, I can just click on insert, and I'll just delete these two lists so that they are same as this. Okay, and maybe features of our website can be added here. Okay, we can also change the icon size. Okay, so you can icon list is there, we can just click on style, and here we can see the space between. We can edit the space between. We can also have the alignment center, left, and very easily we can do we want to have divider between each of the icons, you can do that. Icon size, as I mentioned, you can update the icon size as well, and the icon color also can be changed to whatever color you want. We can have a green color. It is more it's always used to it's always good to use green whenever you are uh, creating a web page and you're mentioning some feature about your website. It's always used to good use green. If you're making some website and you're not mentioning some good things about it, or maybe the things which should be avoided, the red should be used. Text typography, again we are going to use the same colors here, and once the styling is done, we can just click on this clone icon, and they will be cloned. We can just keep cloning them, and if you want to see that the space between is very less, we can increase it from here. So it looks there's some breathing space between the elements, and they look good and attractive as well. We can also add a divider here. If you want, we can add a divider here as well, and after each of the point there will be a divider which comes up. Okay, so this one thing. We can add one more section here. Maybe we can keep a single section, and we can add FAQs to it. Okay, let's see if they've got a built-in for something called as FAQs. Okay, no, so basically maybe we'll have to search with some other name. Toggle or accordion. Yes, accordion is good for FAQs. So here we can have the FAQs which are there can be added in here as well. Just like we had edited the styles here, we can similarly do it for the FAQs as well. If you want to change the icon, we can do that, but I think the plus and minus icon look really good. They are much better, and you can just click here on the content, so you get the title. Why should I buy the 1 year plan? Okay, so we can have this as why should I buy 1 year plan. Here you can have your reasons for it. Similarly, you can just have this one as well, clone this as well. So you can clone as many FAQs questions you want, you can add that. And below that we can add an action button as well. So let's just look at the button options which are there. So PayPal button, share button, Facebook button. So I'll just add this button at the bottom of this. It says click me. Let me just change the style. Here we have got an option to do a center alignment, and instead of click me, I can start get the offer for free. Okay, we can have it that way. Link and font size, we can have the button size as extra large, large, small, depending on whatever you are doing. You can add an icon also beside the button, so that option is also available. Like icon library, we can add the spell icon. Okay, and we can also decide the spacing between the icon and the button which is there. Button link, here we can add whatever link we want. If it's link options, we can see open in a new tab, add, no, follow. You can also play around with these options which are there. Okay, so I think that should be good enough for today's video. And in fact, I will get some more videos which are related to Elementor, where we are building a full-fledged website or a full-fledged landing page using that. Do comment down how did you like the video, and if you like my channel, my content, please don't forget to subscribe to it. Thank you everyone, thanks for your time.